Hey, what's up? Hello and welcome back to my channel. I don't know how you got here, but welcome. Today I have this look. I feel like a mermaid. I think it's a mermaid look. I'm gonna call it a mermaid look. I worked with the Jaclyn Hill palette today. I am very used to all of these colors right here, all the warm tones. That is my safe zone. I ventured into the cool tones, the blues, the mermaid shades, and not mad at it. I was doing this eye and I was like, wow, and I was living for it and started doing this eye and remembered what I was doing. I'm having like crazy dryness in my eyelids and it's not fun. I have like scaly iguana eyelid skin right now and I'm just really not enjoying it. First I'm going in with this color right here, taking a flat like packing shadow brush and I'm just gonna pack it where I want it, just right there. And now I'm using a fluffy brush. This is the Morphe M441 with the same color, but I'm just gonna be like buffing it out. I was editing my last video. You thought I was awkward, it's because I was. Oh my god, I just felt something touch my butt and I thought it was a butt-loving ghost, but it's a cat. Wow. And then going in with the Morphe G, the number has rubbed off, so I don't know, but it's just like a bullet brush. Going in with this, I just noticed that the colors are on the back. The names of the colors are on the back, but that's too much work, so for a screen it is. And I'm just putting that in the crease right there, just windshield wiper motions. This is weird. I think I'm gonna zoom in more. Is that better? I hope so. And then blending it out again with that more turquoisey color. My Coastal Scents concealer brush, I'm just gonna be carving out the crease. Then going in with this shimmery turquoisey shade right here. I'm just gonna put that on the center of my lid with my finger. Sorry to flip you off, kind of. And then with the matte turquoise color, just going over the edges. And then with the forest green on my flat shader brush, I'm just going to be going over pretty much just where that cut crease was to cut it. Blending it out with more of that light turquoise matte shade. Going over the edges, the forest green. So between the light shade in the middle and then the outer corners of that dark green, I'm taking this color right here, which has that shimmer to it, but it's darker than the shade in the middle, and just going over that to kind of diffuse the edges, make them blend better. I guess this is a pencil brush, going with the dark green and just deepening in the crease here. Again here on the corners of the eye, just really deepen it. And then going in with NYX Whipped Cream, which is just a matte white shadow. I'm just going to highlight the brow bone. And then with nothing on this except for just the stain of the shadow, I'm just blending. And then I'm going to be cutting out this shadow, just dragging up from my lash line, I guess my lower lash line, and then blending the concealer out. And then setting it with powder. Word. In the waterline, I'm just taking this green eyeliner. I don't think there's a person on earth that doesn't make a weird face when they put eyeliner on. With the dark forest green shade again, like this little shading packing eyeshadow packing brush again, I'm just going over the eyeliner and smudging it downward. Then with the turquoise shade, just blending that out. Then I'm just taking a combination of these two shades and I'm just gonna mix those together and highlight the brow bone. Beautiful. I just burped and it tasted like hamburgers. And then those two highlighting shades, I'm putting them in the inner corner. Coolio. So I'm gonna put on false lashes and I'll be BRB. Just blending top lashes with mascara. And then lower lashes with the Tarte Maneater mascara because it's the only mascara that matters. Just so good. The one is so spiky and plasticky and I would die for it. It's creeping me out that that door is open right now. But yeah, cool. This is the finished look. Did you like it? Did you love it? Did you hate it? I don't know. You watched it. I hope you liked it. I liked making it. I usually stick around like all the warm tones because that's my safe zone, but I decided to try something a little bit more colorful, more cool tone, and I like it. So I do hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you next time. Bye. Bye. Okay, bye for real now. Bye. Oh, I mean, bye.